Hello, this is Mudassir Hassan from Lovely Professional University, Department of Physical Education. Today in my video we are going to learn skill fitness component for developing agility and power. First of all, what is agility? We have to learn. Agility is the ability to change your direction when you are in motion. Okay. So in many games like tennis, badminton, basketball, they are continuously changing their direction. I mean, when you are playing tennis, they are changing their direction sideward, side to side. When you are playing basketball, they are changing their direction from court to court. And this is also applicable in tennis, hockey, badminton, football, and number of games, rugby. Okay. So to develop agility, we have to perform different types of exercises. So in my video today we are going to learn about how to develop agility. Okay, so follow up to develop agility exercises. So my first exercise is shuttle run. In shuttle run you are going to touch your I'm using bricks, so I can touch both the bricks one by one repeatedly, so you can also use cones, etc., exercises, whatever equipments you are required. Okay, so let's do shuttle run. Okay. Next exercise is forward jump. You can use a ladder as well as any type of equipments in forward jump and backward jump. Okay, so let me start. Let me demonstrate you. Four. Okay. Next exercise is stiff leg, in which your one foot is on the ground and one foot in the air, and you have to hold your position. Okay, like this. So my next exercise is zigzag run, in which I run diagonally. I'm using these 4 bricks. You can use whatever equipments you have. You can use cones, etc., whatever equipments you have. Okay, I'm going to repeat this 3 or 4 times, running diagonally. Okay, let me demonstrate. So that's all. There are n number of exercises you can generate your agility. These are some basic exercises which I demonstrate to you. Okay, my next part is how to develop power. So let's move on to that. So next part is fitness component for developing power. Basically, what is power means? Power means generating force as fast as you can, and it is different from strength. Apart from this, strength means only generating force, and power means generating force as fast as you can. It means if I throw the ball, I can generate power. I can throw the ball as far as I can. And if I lift the weight, for example, if I lift heavy weight, it means it needs lots and lots of strength. So basically, how to develop power and what skill required in which game is power required. For example, power requirement in throwing, power requirement in jumping, power requirement in running, like in sprinting. So if you generate power like in sprinting, you can sprint, run as fast as you can. 3 or 4 or 5 repetition, it's enough. For developing power for throwing, I mean upper part of the body, we have few exercises, and we are looking for those exercises. Okay, so how to develop power in your upper arm? So there are many exercises. I can demonstrate two exercises. Number one is upper arm power slam, and second is rotational slam. Okay, so I'm using this pillow. You can use like medicine ball or anything else you have. So, okay, for upper arm power slam, you have to extend your arm as high as you can and slam down bodies like this. Okay, like this. It does not mean this, it is wrong. Okay, for developing power, you have to exert power as fast as you can. Okay, like this. Okay, so next exercise is rotational slam, in which your body rotates and like this, like this, like this. Okay, you can use 3 or 4 set, like 3 or 4 set of 5 or 6 repetitions is enough, because you can do as fast as you can. Okay, next, so number 2 is jumping. You have to jump for generating power in your legs. For jumping, you can do squat jump or skater jump. Squat jump, basically I am demonstrating to you. You can just bend down and jump as high as you can. Okay, 3 or 4 set is enough. I mean, 3 set of 5 repetition or 3 set of 6 repetition is enough. Number second is skater jump, in which you can jump sideward like this. Okay, this is skater jump. In this, you can generate your power in your legs. And last is, I already told you, sprinting, like in running, you can run as fast as you can. I mean, if you run as fast as you can, it normally hardly be of 10 seconds or 15 seconds. Okay, that's all from my video. I hope you like the video, and I will make this kind of video again and again.